Here I have ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap shutdown. Wait until your device completely turns off, and then what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release both keys because you will enter this kind of menu. So in this menu you can navigate using volume up and you can select using volume down, and you have to select this first option, which is called recovery mode, by tapping volume down, of course. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery mode you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factor reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.